Skip tracing for real estate. Have you ever heard of skip tracing for real estate? It's a strategy you can use to find and talk to more property owners and sellers. Searchbug helps real estate investors, wholesalers, brokers, and agents proactively find new inventory and generate valuable leads with verified property owner information. Why spend hours doing research when you can use tools to automate the process? And why waste time on mistaken information when you can get verified data? Now, you don't have to. We'll provide you with the tools and resources you need to get owner information on demand and build a reliable database. Essentially, skip tracing is the act of locating someone difficult to find. Skip refers to the person being searched for, someone who might have skipped town. Tracing a skip involves tracking the subject down via a series of clues and leads. Skip tracing tactics are often conducted by a skip tracer, someone who locates subjects for other people for various reasons. A skip trace can be done by professionals like process servers, debt collectors, bail bondsmen, private investigators, and journalists. Skip tracing in the real estate industry involves locating property owners, often to purchase properties or resolve title issues. This technique is particularly useful for investors, wholesalers, and agents trying to find owners of vacant, distressed, or difficult-to-contact properties. Next, we'll provide a step-by-step guide for using skip tracing effectively in real estate. Here's how to implement some skip tracing strategies to get in contact with property owners. Start with the information you already have about the property and its owner. This can include property address, owner's name, tax records, previous transactions, or neighboring properties. Public records are a valuable resource for skip tracing. Look into county tax assessor's records, property deed records, local courthouse records, voting records, and utility records. There are various online tools and databases specifically designed for skip tracing. Searchbug, for example, offers tools that can access multiple databases for you in seconds. Reverse phone lookup can help you find out who really owns a property. If you need to find someone or cross-reference information to verify a property owner, use People Search. This tool quickly finds people by name, providing full name, address, phone number, age, marital status, relatives, and length of residence. A property record search can help you evaluate properties and get owner information on potential inventory. Social media platforms can provide additional information and potential contact avenues. Look for profiles on Facebook, LinkedIn, Twitter, and Instagram. Neighbors can sometimes provide useful information about the property owner. They may know where the owner is or have contact details. If your efforts are not yielding results, consider hiring a professional skip tracer. These experts have access to more comprehensive databases and specialized tools. Searchbug offers access to professional skip tracing for real estate without a monthly fee. The verification process provides access to federally regulated data, allowing access to special private data not available to the general public. A skip trace search provides current and previous phone numbers, addresses, date of birth, SSN, and contact info on the subject's relatives, neighbors, and associates. You get high-quality data and only pay for what you use. Once you have sufficient information, attempt to contact the owner. Use direct mail methods like letters or postcards, make phone calls, send emails, or make in-person visits. Finally, maintain a detailed record of your search process. This should include dates of searches and contacts, sources used, information found, and details of corresponding attempts. When it comes to skip tracing for real estate, it is important to be patient and persistent. However, with online tools and resources available, you can save a lot of time and headaches researching property owners. Ready to add skip trace to your list of property search strategies? Try it today. Thank you for watching. We hope this guide helped you. Like, share, and subscribe for more videos like this.